Yes guys, welcome to Viewers. Today guys, meron tayong ordinary card na na-open. Ang task natin for this video guys is to check yung ordinary card na ginagawa natin physically trick card. Lahat ng ordinary card guys na binibili natin is possibly trick card siya. So ito, ordinary lang to guys. And then as you can see, yan, ganyan yung mga pagkakasunod kung bago yung card. And then last is dalawang joker. So, ito, any card guys, pwede natin gawing trick card. Magdedepende yon sa process nyo on how to make an ordinary card a trick card. Pero ito siya is physically a trick card. Bakit? Ito. Kuha tayo ng card. Yan. Kahit saan. Ito. 8 of hearts. Kung ibabalik natin yan. See? Okay, kukunin ko guys. 3, 2, 1. Yan. 8 of hearts. So, balik natin. Ulitin natin. Yan. 8 of hearts. Pero kung igaganito ko to guys, hindi ko na yun makukuha. Bakit? Ito yung tricks nito guys. Yung 8, halimbawa, ito. Ito siya is an ace of clubs. Ganito yung orientation niya pagkakuha natin. Ang gagawin natin guys is i-rotate natin to ng 180 and then balik. Once na ibalik natin yan, yung since physically ito siya na trick card, makakapa natin to guys. Ito. Yun, as you can see there. Ayan, ewan ko lang kung makikita nyo. Yan. May something hindi pantay. So, physically, itatouch nyo lang or yan, ipipil nyo lang na slide nyo lang pa ganito. And then, ito na yun. Okay? Kahit dito, yan, dito sa gitna. Yan. As you can see. There. Yan. Then, touch ng ganito. Ayan. So, ganyan mag-check guys kung mayroon, kung nakakuha kayo ng trick card. Kasi trick card, bakit? Yun nga. Physically mapifeel nyo agad kung saan nyo nilagay kahit anong. Eto, lagay natin ditong king sa gitna. Pwede natin kunin anytime. Okay? In a split of seconds, pwede natin kukunin. See? There. Kunin ko guys ha. Okay. And then, kung gusto nyong malaman kung ano pa yung pwede natin gawin for this kind of cards, guys, meron tayong mga process niyan. I-comment nyo below, guys, para i-share ko later. Okay, so that's all for now, guys. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Viewers. Bye-bye!